You can see if I move the cursor, it actually sparks here. So this is an animation that we did for this our client. Hello, my name is Mosharraf. So thank you for taking time to watch this video. Stech is one of our clients, and we have created this portfolio website for them. So I'll be showing you around that what it looks like and what are the feature and functionalities of this. So this is the most interesting thing here. If we move the cursor around the company logo, it actually sparks and does things. Also in this menu, you can see there is a bit of animation that we have worked really hard to create. And in the concern, they are actually group of companies, so they have multiple companies. So these are the sub companies of the mother company, and it's actually a bit of what should I say, hover effect in here. And there is the services, and this is the gallery, news and events, and their clients, and the contact us pages. Also, it can be changed to 5 different languages as they have multiple operation in multiple countries. So if I scroll below, this is what the website looks like. So if I hover on these things, it actually changes in here. And this is their services. This actually scrolls through, and these are the other part of highlights of about their company. These are their top clients. Actually, they didn't change this image. The website has a backend from where this can be changed. So it's still placeholder. If they change it to the actual clients, it will reflect here. Also, this is their company values and things like that, and they have a video integrated in here. And this is a classy footer. So this is the about us page, the same animation actually here. And this is the message from the chairman and board of directors. There is only one. If they add more directors, it will show on the right hand side. And this is the mission, vision, and other things. Also, a visitor can download the company for portfolio from here. And this is actually a sub company website or sub service. So this is the explanation here. It's pretty empty because they didn't add any data yet. Also, if I go to the next page, which is the services, what services they're providing. So this is their actually services from the mother company, things like that. And this is the gallery page. You can see there is a video that can be played, and it actually has an hover effect. And this is the gallery where they can add images from the backend. It's actually real image. You can see that this is the banner of their actual office. It's located in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Also, this is the placeholders. Actually, they will change it eventually. And if I go to the next page, this is the page of news and events. So they can add news and events about their company, and the hero section remains same actually. Also, this is the contact us page. From here, anyone can reach out to them, and this is their map location. So yeah, this is the portfolio website that we have created, designed, and developed. We offer 3 different language technologies for web development. Those are PHP, Laravel, Python, Django, and MERM Stack. And for mobile application development, we offer Flutter for iOS and Android development. So if you'd like to create something like that, feel free to reach us in Qtec Solution Limited. That is our company name. If you search on Google, you'll find us. Also, you can reach me by CEO@the rate of qtecsolution.com, qtecsolution.com in this mail. You can reach me out or comment in this video section. Thank you so much for watching.